Rising above the Savinja River on a rocky hilltop, Celje Castle stands as one of Slovenia's most powerful medieval strongholds. A fortress once home to a dynasty that dreamed of rivaling Europe's greatest noble families. The story begins in the 12th century when the original fortification was built to control routes linking the Alps to the Pannonian Plain. But Celje Castle wouldn't reach its true prominence until the 14th century, when it passed into the hands of the ambitious Counts of Celje. Under their rule, the castle transformed into a political and military powerhouse. The Counts expanded the fortress dramatically, adding fortified walls, residential towers, courtyards, and the mighty Frederick's Tower, which still dominates the skyline today. Their influence stretched across the region, and for a short but brilliant moment, Celje rivaled the House of Habsburg. The castle became the stage for one of Slovenia's most dramatic medieval love stories, the romance between Frederick II of Celje and Veronika of Desenice. Their forbidden relationship sparked political tension, imprisonment, and tragedy, forever tying Celje Castle to tales of passion and betrayal. By the 15th century, with the extinction of the Counts of Celje, the castle fell under Habsburg control. Over the next centuries, Celje Castle slowly lost its strategic importance. Without constant upkeep, its once mighty walls deteriorated, and by the 18th century, it had become a romantic ruin. Modern restoration efforts began in the 20th century, ensuring the preservation of its towers, battlements, and sweeping views of the Savinja Valley. Today, Celje Castle is one of Slovenia's most visited historic sites, a place where medieval architecture, legends, and panoramic landscapes come together. From dynastic ambition to dramatic romance, Celje Castle remains a symbol of Slovenia's medieval spirit, standing proudly above the city that grew beneath its walls.